Introduce features interest about iHome AutoVac Eclipse, Robot Vacuum Cleaner, HomeMap Navigation, 2200 PA Strong Suction. You can find Robot Vacuum Cleaner wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Innovative scrubbing technology ensures it agitates and cleans stubborn spills with vibrating mopping technology. / vacuum and mop simultaneously with the 2-in-1 tank. Debris is stored in the dry compartment as the mop follows with a wet pass. Set your desired water flow and the electronically controlled tank handles the rest. Neatly cleans row by row with built-in sensors to ensure there are no missed spots. View your floor plan in the iHome Clean application. Hyperdrive Plus with 2700 PA suction power handles fine dust, stubborn dirt, pesky dirt, hair and more. Hyperdrive automatically engages when Nova detects carpet for optimal cleaning. Connect Nova to Wi-Fi for voice and application control when you want it. Use the iHome Clean application to manage Eclipse from anywhere and connect to Google Assistant to control your AutoVac by voice. Take cleaning off of your to-do list with the iHome AutoVac Eclipse. Top-of-the-line features include POWERMOP Scrub, a mopping system that vibrates and agitates your floor to ensure squeaky clean floors, unlike other traditional robot mopping systems. In addition, the Eclipse Pro model will dock at the auto-empty base, which holds debris for weeks at a time. The 2-in-1 tank system allows for vacuuming and mopping at the same time, or separately. HomeMap navigation ensures the Eclipse cleans row by row, and doesn't miss any spots. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.